Welcome back to the Stumpf Moving Storage YouTube channel. As always, I'm Sean, and today we're going to be doing a little truck maintenance here on our Freightliner M2106. The front driver's seat's a little worn out, so we're going to be replacing the seat cushion, the cover, and the frame. If you guys like this kind of stuff, subscribe to the channel. We're going to be bringing more of it to you soon. And don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. That means click that like button for us. That being said, let's get into it. Alright guys, as you could tell, this thing has seen better days. So we're going to go ahead and replace the frame here, the cushion itself, as well as the cover. It's pretty simple install. We're going to unscrew several bolts here, and here we're going to show you how it's done. We're going to go ahead and use a 3/8 socket. Alright guys, this is the new seat cover, cushion, and frame. We got it from National Seating down in Tennessee, but we picked it up here at the Freightliner dealer in Pittsburgh. If you have any questions about the model and the model number, all that will be in the description below. That being said, let's get into it. Literally the same exact seat, except you can tell right here the cushions, the frame is a little different, but this looks a lot better than this thing. Just like that, it's done. It's so simple, anybody can do it. So don't feel afraid to try it yourself. Thanks for watching the video, guys. We hope that you learned something today. And if you did, go ahead and subscribe to the channel because we're going to be bringing more content like this to you soon. And don't forget to like the video. And while you're at it, leave a comment in the comment section down below. Maybe you have a video that you'd like us to do. We'd love to bring some more stuff that you want to see to you soon. Until next time, thanks for watching.